your reality should be where your decision making starts from. If you want to achieve anything, especially this income, build a system that will help you achieve goals. Some of you set some unrealistic goals. I almost fought with a bike man because of how much 300 francs. Straight to the point. See, if you want to achieve anything in life, you got to start first of all. If you want to achieve any goal, you got to start first of all by setting realistic goals, setting realistic achievable goals. Some of you, I know they say dream big, but some of you do exaggerate this big. Some of you abuse the word dream big. I mean the goal. You people abuse the word goal because some of you set some unrealistic goals, and some of these unrealistic goals are being motivated by the kind of videos we watch online. You see, in this video, I'll be talking about reality. I'll be talking about setting realistic goals, and I'll also be talking about pressuring. Now, let's start with the pressuring. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Nobody makes 70. Let's just tell ourselves the truth now. Nobody makes $70,000, $50,000, $30,000 consistently every month. I'm even exaggerating the amount. $1,000 every month. Nobody makes that amount consistently. I mean, we don't know all those people that always brag and post online about it. Because if you check, some of them are in the DM asking for urgent 2K, and I'll be like, you posted earlier that you make 5K and 20K monthly. Now, what is the urgent 20-30K for? I mean, you make a lot of money. All this will pressurize you. Never put yourself under pressure. Always have it in mind that, you see, your reality should be where your decision making starts from. This evening, like this now, if you notice how I buttoned my clothes, I'm sorry you had to see that. I almost fought with a bike man because of how much 300 francs. 300 francs. The guy wanted to do because he saw me dressed clean and stuff, and he wanted to. We reached an agreement. We got here, and you were like, you didn't have change. So I fought for that one because I know that 300 is not small for me. It's not a small amount for me. I'm not one of those people that brag about. This is me. This is my reality. I'm not like them. You understand? I am not like them. Some of you see. Okay, now let me use this example. When you ask someone in America right now to go fetch water for you, and you ask someone in Africa, Nigeria to be precise, some village in Nigeria to go fetch water for you, you, where they Africa, you that is in Africa, on the developed side, you will carry 20 liters of bucket, go your trek 2 miles from your home, go your village dirty stream or pump, go fetch the water, and trek from there how many hours? But someone in America will just carry and go to their bar and go to their kitchen and fetch water. You see these two people, they are not the same kind of people. That's why I say your reality should be where your decision making starts from. Now let's talk about at the goals. Some of you set some unrealistic goals. Something that you've never made for the first time. Yes, they say dream big, but sometimes you got to make the dream and the goal are realistic. Now let me put these two things together because some of you might not understand it. Goal and dream is two different things. I might set a goal that this year I want to achieve certain thing, but my dream is becoming something like this. So when you're setting goals, set realistic goals. Do not exaggerate the thing. I want to make 200. I saw this tweet from this YouTuber like this Twitter handle like this. I was like, if I slap you, bro. All this kind of tweet to pressure people. I want to make $200,000 next. See, the only thing that will make me that I didn't even see $10,000 this year. The only thing that will make me be like, okay, $200,000. You will make $200,000 is possible. It's only when you show me the reality and the possibility of how wait, let me put this whole thing so you understand it. Someone that is bragging of planning, someone that is planning to make $200,000 next year, or you tell that person now to bring out money to buy a $5,000 account, a $10,000 account. You see, they don't have the money. Some of you, still saying the same thing. Let your decision start from your reality. Some of you come online and see people saying, I bought this account, prop firm account. This particular one say right now is for those that trade prop firm. I bought this prop firm account and I passed it. This is how much I'm making. This and blah 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 blah. You see something like this and you feel pressured. You'll be like, is there something I'm doing that these people are not doing? Is there something that these people are doing that I'm not doing right? You start pressurizing yourself. You start putting yourself. You start thinking of that small account that you start, your $5,000 account that you saved your life, that you brought out your life savings, or a savings that money that you saved for a very long time. You start for a very long time to get. You start thinking of how to over risk it, how to just to meet with that lifestyle that nobody's pressurizing you, nobody's chasing you. You just come on social media. You see people setting some unrealistic goals, and you just want to feel among them. See, let nobody deceive you. Let nobody deceive you. If you want to achieve anything, especially this year coming, set realistic. Your goals can just be as small as, okay, this year, as a trader that knows what he's doing, I want to be profitable by the middle of next year, before next year ends, and at least I have $5,000 accounts. Those are realistic. It's super easy, achievable. If you're not profitable yet, you can plan yourself on how to work on your skills and your profitable this thing over time, instead of thinking on how to make $200,000. $200,000. You want to make $200,000. I bring up money. Let's buy a $100,000 pro forma account. You don't have it. Even if you will have it, it will take you like 6 months of savings. So make sure your reality, your decision making starts from your. Don't follow people on Twitter. Those people are living fake lives, bro. 98% of them are living fake lives on social media. It's not what they say. Not what they say is not what they actually do. You don't need anybody to tell you how hard the country is right now. I mean, you go to the market, right? You buy things, you know how hard things are right now. So if you use the small ones you get to chase that unrealistic goals, that you now traders, listen. If you are inconsistent yet, I want you next year build system that will help you achieve goals. And realistic goals I'm talking about are realistic goals. If you are yet unprofitable, I don't care how many years you've been in the business, build a system that will help you get to that profitability stage where your win rate will be at least 30% up. Because let me tell you something. If you set your eyes on the goal, a goal without a system to achieve it will never, it will end in your head. Take for example football. If football doesn't have what we call formation, which is their own system, they will not achieve it. They will not be scoring any goal. They won't be anything of. They will just be confused here and there. So you need a system, because your system will take you through the straight line. It will make the work more easier for you, instead of clouded a lot of things in your head. You say you want to make $200,000. No problem. Then create a system that will make that $200,000 possible. If you are able to do it and you achieve it, good and fine for you. But that's where it gets hard. Do you have a system that can give you that $200,000? Do you have a system? Do you have anything set already that can give you that $200,000? Hey, listen to people. You just listen to people saying blah blah blah. I made this, I made that. If Forex is that easy, so set systems instead of goals, because only your system will determine how you will achieve the goals. I mean, how possible the goal will be. You understand? You got to put in the work. The money, the $200,000 realistic goals you are setting, the platforms that you want to get funded all over. All these are outcome that will come after. But you got to first of all put the income. And an outcome has never existed without an income. Now let me explain. You see all these 100,000, all these people that get funded, and all these things you see, all these good things you see good traders do online, it's based on the outcome of their work. To achieve that, you got to put the income. And what is that income? You got to learn a system. Systemize. If you're a trader, systemize your trading. If you want to set goals next year, systemize the goals. Set a system that will achieve that goal, the goals. Be disciplined. Journal your trading. You see this journaling side, that is where a lot of traders fail it. People always see this journaling as because it's lazy for some people to do. But when you understand the importance of journaling, you know the reason why people scream it all the time. Journal your journey. Build a system. Every other thing will come after. You want to get funded, be consistent first. Funding people, funders. Every other good things comes after the hard work has been put in. And even when all these good things will start coming, at that level you might not even notice how good and how far you start going. Once you are consistent, funded accounts will be following you at the back like this. So, my friends, they say cut your shoes, cut your coat according to your size. Let your decision making start from your reality. You don't compare yourself with others. Yes, don't compare yourself with others. My video quality is very, very bad, and yeah, I wish one day I would get a better phone when I see more. But that is not enough reason for me not to come to do what I want to do with it, create my videos with it. I'm not trying to be perfect because I know nothing is perfect. So do not pressurize yourself and compare yourself. Always choose your reality over everything. Secondly, set realistic goals. I don't ever hear you say, I want to achieve $200,000 when you don't have a system that can achieve that $200,000. Until you get a system or a way to achieve that $200,000, a proven system that will achieve that $200,000 this coming year, or $10,000, or only then will you say that. But since you don't have it, please set realistic goals. Don't put yourself under pressure. Thirdly, systemize your everything. Get a system that will help you achieve your goals. If you keep pressurizing yourself, it's none of my business.